Put on the full armor of God so that you can take your stand against the devil's schemes.
Hey, Super Training University students, I'm Amazing Alan.
And I'm Wonder Jordan, and we have something special for you today.
Oh, instead of doing our normal crafts this week, we actually are going to show you all of the Super Training University with Jesus power gear.
Yeah, I have some on right now.
And so there's lots and lots of power gear for you to buy. Again, most of it comes in packs of 12, as well as our t-shirts.
Yes, make sure you get these for the t-shirts, and definitely make sure you check out our VBS theme song. This is our lyric video that we have going on with all of our friends from this year's VBS.
That's right. And again, that's Your Armor by None Above. You can get that at VBS, at umivbs.com. It's available free for download. And then you can also check out all of the wonderful power gear from what you see on Jordan's fingers right now into so much more. We're going to talk about it in a second, but let's check out some of the kids who might have some on.
Okay.
Wow, it looks like so much fun.
A lot of fun.
We have so much power gear for you to check out here at Super Training University with Jesus students. So let's start off showing them what the gear is.
Well, first, as you saw me earlier, I have my superhero rings on. There's so many different colors. We have white, blue, red, yellow.
And we have our power masks.
Those are so cool.
Power Up Hero masks.
These
and
are
again,
cool.
You can check them out. You can be a superhero. Put on your superhero mask to conceal your secret identity.
Yes, and the great thing about all these is that you can do activities with these. You can give these away as prizes. But don't think this is all we have. We have so much more.
We have our power-up shields that start out like this. They come in packs of 12 again, and they come up all wrapped tightly together. But when you blow them up, then you're ready to hold up your shields of faith to protect against the wiles of the devil.
Yes, now these might be a little difficult because they do take a lot of breath to blow up. So if you have younger kids, you might want to blow them up for your kids, or just give them to their parents so they can blow them up. We don't want anything happening to our young kids trying to blow these up, right?
Right, don't waste your breath.
Right, because it took him like 3 hours to blow that up, trust me.
And then we have our super kickballs.
Yes, we have different colors of these. Look at this. These are so cool and cute. You can use, I know a lot of our activities call for you to use balls to throw with the kids. So look, we're giving them to you right here.
You can get those. And your super slap bracelets.
Those are cool too.
Super strength slap bracelets.
Wow. I want to do that. Is that how you just, wow. Look at that. I have the whole, I got the rings, I got the bracelets.
Rings, bracelets.
This is so cool. There's so much that you can do with these, like, honestly.
Dripping in superness.
Right.
And we have our super affinity bracelets as well. And these are for the older kids. Again, they're like friendship bracelets. And you actually do have to go through tying the knots, but you can also get them, they're ready-made and you can resize them. Again, for those older kids, these are a great thing to try out.
Those are so cool and they're so cute. They have, look at this, that's so cute.
And that is an ichthus, which is the sign of the followers of Jesus from the 1st century. Those New Testament Christians, that fish represents their relationship with Jesus. And they had to do that when they were in hiding to keep the Romans from persecuting them and knowing that they were Christians.
So you can definitely teach them that lesson when you give out these bracelets. So cool.
So much power gear. Again, you can check it all out. Most of it comes out in packs of 12, and it's fun for kids of all ages to receive as prizes or to be part of your celebrations at the end of your vacation Bible school.
Definitely. This is so fun. I think I might give some away for gifts, birthday gifts, some bracelets, some rings. Well, join us next time here at STU headquarters for more crafts.
Again, I'm Amazing Alan.
And I'm Wonder Jordan.
And we hope that you have a super blessed day.